from Television Hill in Baltimore, WBAL TV 11 News continues.
Welcome back, and joining us now to answer your pet questions, Dr. Kim Hammond, and a very special guest. Now, if I understand it, your veterinary practice is a small animal practice, right?
Right, and this is a small animal.
Small, big animal.
It is. This is a small animal. This is a miniature day. This is, Honey is a miniature horse, a beautiful. This is as big as Honey's going to get. 2 years
Shetland?
old. No, it's a miniature horse.
A horse. Okay.
Yeah, miniature horse. Yeah, just like I'm a miniature NFL quarterback.
Oh, okay.
Same sort of concept.
If we can buy that, right.
But a beautiful animal, and goes to the VA hospital and places like that. And in fact, if you would like a visit by Honey, you can call the Falls Road Animal Hospital, and we'll put you in touch with Honey's owner. But look how stunning this animal is. I mean, just completely gentle. Got in the elevator today, came upstairs, walked in, completely house trained. That's important.
We hope.
House trained. Oh, well, if not, then it's my last day on WBAL.
All right. A couple of questions for you this morning. One, we get to dogs, smaller animals. My American Bulldog grinds her teeth. Why and what can we do to stop her? Yes, you can count as much as you want.
Count. 3, 4. Grinding, look, it's a symptom of something probably, and I would say go and have the teeth checked. Make sure that there's no arthritis, and make sure that there's no dental disease. Start there before we come up with other solutions. Examine the teeth, because maybe something's hurting in there. Maybe something's stuck. Maybe you've got a sliver in there. Your dog can't talk. That's what I would do.
Okay. A sliver, that's interesting, because they do like to chew on sticks and everything else.
Absolutely, particularly bulldogs, they crush.
Yeah, and they've got those really strong...
They do 500 pounds of pressure in those jaws. They can take a broom and snap it.
Okay, I'll always respect a bulldog from this point on. All right. Another one, when walking my 3-year-old golden retriever, the dog goes absolutely ballistic upon other passerbys. Believes in an extremely vicious and violent manner, behaves in a violent manner. How can this be controlled? This dog really needs...
Yeah, and I would suggest first, before you try to do it yourself, you contact a trainer, because if it's extremely vicious and violent, it may not be something you want to make a mistake in training, because you can teach the wrong things just as easily as you can teach the right things. And I like Mark Katz. For tough, vicious dog, I like Mark Katz. He's a great dog trainer, and you can find him in the phone book. But you can also use prong collars, you can use little shock collars, but you have to know how to use them. You can't just buy one and try it. You don't want to learn on your dog. You want to understand how to do it. So I would seriously contact Mark Katz and do it.
Kind of have to know, especially say if the dog was adopted or something like that, then maybe they know the dog's passed or something.
It's true, but John, this is a golden retriever. This is a weapon. It's a big dog, and if it's that vicious, you know it's going to happen. So I'd be careful. Behavior is a problem, but you can train them. Look at this horse. This is an insane, great horse. It's been trained properly.
Hey,
right,
thanks
honey?
for joining us.
All right, buddy.
Thanks for joining us.
All right.
And we'll see you next week, all right?
Okay, yeah.
All right.
My pleasure.
And we've got more coming up in just a few minutes.